Hey everyone, welcome to our next day challenge. So today's question is filtering elements from array. So we need to filter and search a specific elements from a given array. So what is given? Given is an array which is of a number. Then we have a filter function which returns a new array. So what we need to pass to an fn function is an specific element and index. So let's see example. So we have an array which says 0, 10, 20, 30 and an fn function which says greater than 10. So greater than 10 we have 20 and 30. So output will be 20 and 30. So let's see the constraints. So it says that array dot length will be from 0 to 1000. Then array of I, the element, single element will be from minus 10 raised to 9 to 10 raised to 9. Okay, let's see the solution now. So we need to iterate through each and every element. So we will be needing a for loop. So this for loop will be iterating from 0th element till the last element. So which is array dot length minus 1. After this we will be needing a variable which will be storing our filtered array. So let's take an array with an updated array is equal to empty array. So now what we need to do is we need to check in a condition if the return value is true, we need to or push that element to a updated array. In if we have called an fn function which we have passed a specific element and index. If this condition is true, we will be pushing our data to an updated array. Now we will be returning an updated array. Let's try and run this. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching.